clear to me.
Well, I shall read a passage from I just did a paper on this. From Philosophy of International Law.
Oh, yes.
Yes, well, legitimate in this minimal sense is to be contrasted with legitimate in the right to be obeyed. Sense common, whoa, major vertigo and moving around real fast in these glasses.
Dear.
Improper realism, setting moral targets under the constant constraint of moral accessibility.
Oh!
Non-ideal theory must steer a course between failure, utopianism that is obvious to the limitation of current international institution, and to the nature of international laws as it now exists. On the one hand, and a craven capitulation. Wow, how can I read this? Here,
I feel like capitulation is a word.
Capitulation.
Not capitalization?
Capitulation. Capitulation. To existing injustices that offers no direction for significant reform on the other. The task of ideal theology is to set moral targets for the future that can provide useful guidance for action here and now, while at the same time providing standards for morally evaluating current international laws and legal process. Here, a distinction between feasibility, accessibility, and moral accessibility is useful. An ideal normative theory is feasible. I did a paper on this. A normative theory of international law.
Oh, oh, excuse me. This is
normative, aka moral, aka morality, which is a theory that I invented and I applied to international law perspectus.
Perspectus.
Is that a word?
I don't know, but it sounds great. I like when you look accusively at the camera. Are you listening? Oh! This is the best one ever.
Mark Walzer. Thick and thin. The charge of cultural imperialism.
Oh, do that one.
Social... Societal ethical relativism also ought to be distinguished from yet another objection to attempts to rely on the concept of human rights as a foundation for normative theory of international law. See, that's what I did. I focused on human rights as the notion for international legal philosophy in terms of morality and normative theories. Can you not laugh at me? This is very serious. Do you understand that there is the notion that there are no morals in international law, that because everything is so diverse, that everything is so power-driven and hierarchical structure of international needs, that there is no morality in international law, but morality exists in the forms of human rights. Human rights validate morality. And you need to stop laughing at me because it's a very serious subject, Emma.